Dietary fibers. In humans, there is no appreciable digestion of the dietary fibers, for example, cellulose, hemicellulose, lignin, due to the absence of certain microorganisms in GIT which breaks down these substances. Therefore, ingested cellulose passes out unchanged, and the substances which are enclosed in cellulose wall escape digestion and absorption. The physiological importance or significance of dietary fibers. Increased bulk of this undigested residue stimulates the intestinal peristalsis, which in turn increases the passage of food through the intestine. Secondly, increased cellulose content of the food increases the bulk of feces, and thus high fiber content has a role in prevention and treatment of constipation. The fibers reduces efficacy of absorption of digested foodstuffs by forming mechanical barrier between nutrients and absorptive surfaces, thus reduces the sudden increase in the blood glucose level after a meal, that is postprandial hyperglycemia. This also reduces the requirement of insulin during postprandial phase. This is why high fiber diet is helps in the prevention and treatment of individual from diabetes mellitus. It also decreases blood cholesterol levels by binding the bile salts. Binding of bile salts with dietary fibers increases the excretion of bile salts in feces. That leads to decreased amounts of bile salts available for enterohepatic circulation, that increases the synthesis of fresh bile salts in the liver, which is going to increase cholesterol utilization, thus decreases the blood cholesterol. Thus helps in the control of metabolic disorders associated with overnutrition such as obesity, atherosclerosis, and hypercholesterolemia and diabetes mellitus. It also decreases the incidence of colon cancer by dilution of carcinogens by water held by dietary fibers, and it also decreases the duration of contact between carcinogen and mucous membrane of colon, as fibers increases the colon motility. And some carcinogens, they also may bind to dietary fibers.